Hey, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Phil from Transformation Auto Sales, back with another video, man. So, hey, I figured I'd come to y'all with another video. Think I'm finna take the Tahoe to the car wash, man. So we just hopped in the Tahoe. About to get this AC going real quick. Let me make sure the AC on cold. The front has stopped blowing, but now it's blowing, y'all. It's weird. What causes that? Let me know if y'all know. So this little control right here, like 2 days ago, I was driving and I knew it felt super hot for some reason. I'm like, man, what is going on? So I checked the top because I know I got rear air up here, and I had this one turned all the way up right there, and it was blowing out the back. But then I had this one turned all the way up, and it wasn't blowing nothing. So I did some Googling to see if it might be the fuse like under the bottom. So I checked under the bottom, that fuse was good. I pulled under the hood to check the relay, right? And the relay was good too. So I just swapped out a couple of relays, popped it back in there, and it still wasn't working. So all of a sudden, when I got ready to hop in the truck last night, we got air. So y'all tell me if y'all know what's going on with that, because I have no idea, man. But I do know it's gonna be a hot summer and I need my AC, you hear me? But hey, before we get on the road, man, y'all make sure, first of all, y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe on all the videos, man. I'm literally trying to think of some good creative videos to bring to y'all. But yeah, I definitely need y'all to like, share, comment, and subscribe, because that helps the algorithm. It helps push out my videos to other people that might actually want to see them, you know? So I have been seeing y'all comment a lot. I definitely respond to every comment that I get. I like every comment that I get, you know what I'm saying? I'm very interactive with the chat, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, y'all keep tapping in, man. But let's get on down this road. We're gonna see if we can hear this little squeaking noise too, man. This truck is making a little squeaking noise whenever I drive down the road, y'all. It's making a squeaking noise. So yeah, we gonna get on down, man. Head on to this car wash. Man, y'all look at this right here. 265,000 miles on my Tahoe, man, and we still pushing. Can't even tell it's running half the time. It's literally that quiet, y'all. But hey, we still keep pushing. I'm gonna keep rolling it until the wheels fall off, you hear me? Or until somebody decide to buy it. I had a couple of people that hit me up saying they wanted to buy it. I know I had asked y'all on here if y'all thought I should sell it, and most people were saying I shouldn't, so I might not sell it, man. I don't know. I just have to see what kind of offers I get. It's a 2003. It's the LT, so it's like the mid-range. Of course, you see it's got a leather, rear air, third row seat, and I posted it for $4,250. So I know $4,250 is a little high, but I figured that would be a good starting point. So y'all let me know how much y'all think it ought to be. You know what I'm saying? I was thinking probably somewhere around 35 would be about what I'm gonna end up taking for it. But yeah, y'all drop in the comment section what y'all think a 2003 Tahoe with 265,000 miles on it is worth. And don't be saying no $1,000 either, man. I know when I asked y'all what y'all thought what was it? My 2007 Monte Carlo SS. Man, I asked y'all what y'all thought my 2007 Monte Carlo SS was worth. Most talking about $1,000, $1,500. Like, come on, man. Ain't nobody selling no 07 Monte Carlo SS with the V8 in it, the 5.3 in it for no $1,500. It just ain't happening, man. Nothing is that cheap anymore. But anyway, man, I done rambled enough, so hey, we're gonna get on down here to this car wash, y'all. man, I'm either gonna pause the video now and hit it back up whenever we make it up here to the car wash, or I'm gonna end the video and then make a whole nother video with the car wash. One way or another, we'll be right back.